Welcome to the Hayylo Action Review and Update training video. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the necessary steps to effectively review and update an action in Hayylo. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Hayylo. Launch the Hayylo application on your device. Step 2. Navigate to Action Dashboard. Once you're in the Hayylo application, go to the Action Dashboard where you can access all your actions. Step 3. Open an action. Select the specific action you want to review and update from the list. Click on it to open the action details. Step 4. Review the details. Take a moment to review the information provided in the action. This includes customer details, the nature of the action, and any notes or attachments associated with it. Step 5. How to identify the customer. Identify the customer by reviewing their name, contact information, or any unique identifiers available in the action details. Step 6. How to identify the action was created. Look for the information indicating how the action was created. This could be through a phone call, email, web portal, or any other communication channel. Step 7. How to review the history of the action. To view the history of the action, navigate to the history within the action details. This will show you a chronological log of all the activities related to the action. Step 8. Update inquiry type to categorize the inquiry correctly. If necessary, update the inquiry type to ensure that the action is correctly categorized. This will help in organizing and prioritizing actions based on their nature. Step 9. How to update the status. Update the status of the action based on its progress. Common statuses include to do, in progress, done, or any other relevant status options available. Step 10. How to assign to a team or individual. If the action needs to be assigned to a specific team or individual, select the appropriate option from the assignee field. This ensures that the responsible party is notified and can take the necessary actions. Step 11. How to leave an internal note. If you need to provide additional information or instructions regarding the action, leave an internal note. This note will only be visible to your team members and will help in collaboration and communication. Congratulations! You've now learned the essential steps to review and update an action in Hayylo. Remember to open Hayylo, navigate to the Actions dashboard, open the desired action, review the details, identify the customer, review the action's created method, check the action history, update the inquiry type, modify the status, assign to a team or individual, and leave an internal note if necessary. Thank you for watching, and happy action reviewing and updating.